nasarapan?
Hindi pa. Mamaya.
Love it. Oh my God.
Love it.
Love it. Takot ako.
It's very, very good. Iba yung atake niya eh.
Fresh story. Ang sobrang funny.
Natawa ako.
The best.
Enjoyed it! Sobrang galing. Ganda.